Hey everyone, this is Stamping Songbird, and today I'm going to do another bonus video using a kit and no cutting machine needed. So I showed this Mambi kit in one of my last videos where I shared two Mambi kits that I had for years in the closet and I never even opened them. So the first one I did the mustache layout for my dad, who had a signature mustache. So the second kit that I had in the closet is this music kit from Me and My Big Ideas, Mambi for short. And my intention, like I said in the last video, was to make a layout for myself or the girls that I sing with, to do a little layout for that. But I never used it. I did say that the accessories or the extras here looked a little girly to me, but I think that it'll work for any gender if you focus on the papers alone. So I'm going to just flip it and just show you once again, and I'm sorry if there's a glare, what's inside. There are 11 12 by 12 papers, 61 stickers, 9 soft-spoken pieces, 60 chipboard, and 24 rhinestone. So here's some of the papers. You can see here this blue one that has a record in the middle, and the black one with the keys, musical keys, and then there's chipboard. I never really use chipboard. I usually pop those out and give them to kids so they can paint them and do whatever they want with it. Then there's all the stickers. So I am going to open this and I am going to create a layout, possibly one page, possibly two, using this kit. No cutting machine. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back. So I've opened up the music Mambi kit to create a layout for with a singing theme. So I've already adhered this pattern paper that is black with white musical notes onto black 12 by 12 cardstock. The pattern paper is cut at 11.5 by 11.5. I've already created some photo mats. I have about 6 that are 4.5 by 4.5, and I have just 2 that are 4.25 by 6.25. Then we're going to use the stickers, paper stickers and chipboard stickers that come with the kit. No cutting machine, no SVGs, just using what is in the kit. So I'm going to start with page 1. I hope I'm in frame. We're going to start by arranging our photo mats, and then I'll decide how many photos on each. I do want to get as many photos as possible on each page. So I'm just going to start with this. And then see what we could use. I did not plan this out. So I really like these. I like the piano. Musical notes I don't want to use because of the black paper, but I love the musical notes too. So I like the word music, but it's in blue unless I do it this way. Maybe I'll save it for the other one. trim that one a little bit shorter. Okay, so I'll come back to this page to see if there's anything else that I can add in between, because it's looking a little bit plain to me. Let's go to the next page. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So I don't want to do straight squares. Just let's think about this. So let's go with this right here in the middle. And then we'll create a title. So I have choir, band, star, music. I could do music star, but this is black and white and it blends in with that. Oh, I could do choir music. Let's do that. Let's do choir music. Since I did sing in a choir and a worship team, I think that will work just fine. Like I said, this is kind of girly, I think. It's a lot of pink in it, a lot of hearts and things like that. But I almost feel like I have to use the hearts because I don't know if I could use anything else, and everything else will just blend in. So I'm thinking I can just add some hearts here and there. So there are 2 big hearts. Okay, that's good. Let's make that one page 1 because it's got a title. Choir music, it's got space for 4 4x4 photos. And then we've got page 2. It has space for 2 4x4 photos and 2 3 3/4 by 5 3/4 photos. So let's see if I can put these guys together so you can see them. Just gotta move some stuff to the side. As usual, lots of things on my desk. I'm just gonna overlap these a little bit. That will help. It's already in frame. Well, I'm gonna zoom out anyway. I'm probably back to where I started. Okay, so here is my 2-page layout using the Mambi kit, the Mambi music kit from Me and My Big Ideas. I did not use any SVGs, no cut files, just plain old stickers and paper. That's it. So that's really all you need. You don't need a cutting machine, although I love my cutting machine. I I will tell people who are interested to get a cutting machine. But if you don't want one for whatever reason, or don't feel you need one, you don't need one, because you can create beautiful layouts without a machine. So I'm able to fit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 photos onto these 2 pages. So I hope this inspires you to use any of your hidden stash that you haven't used in a long time or never used at all, like me, and create something with it. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.